bath. It's very loud. I like the bath. Off to do some laundry. I'm the laundromat. On the 26th floor.
Did you enjoy the food last night?
Yeah.
What was your favourite course?
All of it. All of it. It was cool. I like the farquha and the onion soup. Where is the laundromat? Caution. Please shade it with it.
Must be this way then. Laundry corner.
What is it smoking there as well? Oh, I don't think if anyone steals anything, we've got a little...
Yeah. You've got everything here, honestly.
Oh. Oh.
So they'll know who's been in.
Been in there. Yeah.
Oh, there's a camera.
Yeah. Right.
Oh, this looks complicated. Got the soap powder from this little vending machine. Please pick up your laundry soon after it finished.
Right, okay. Close the door completely. Load detergent and softener are necessary for drying only and air wash. What do I put it in then? Okay. Oh, okay. Pop it in here. Do I take it? Do I take it out of the packet or?
I think so. Oh, please put detergent straight into the drum.
Just, is that the drum?
That's the drum.
So I don't need to put it in here?
Do not put detergent here. Oh, no, okay, maybe. I don't know, that's a bit confusing. That says detergent / softener. That says please put detergent straight into the drum. That says do not put detergent here.
There's no like rip thing on this.
Oh look, there's a line here that says proper quantity. We've gone quite above that.
No, it's not. It's not. I'm confused.
Not if you push it down.
What did that do?
Let's just do it. I don't know what any of that means. Oh, what's that on your finger?
You know what it is. Right, that's all in then. Select course. We want washing and drying. I can't just wash and dry.
No, I think that is wash and dry. I think that's gonna wash and dry. That's just drying. That's only washing. Although that's only washing. That's only drying. Oh, but that's 3 kilograms. That's 1.5 kilograms.
Oh, okay.
So they're both
kilograms?
washing and drying.
Would you say that's 3 kilograms?
Yeah.
Yeah. Select course. Insert coins. Inserted coins cannot be refunded. 700 yen. Okay, can you put that in a bin or in that bin?
Okay, let's switch. You don't need the coins. Does it start automatically?
Oh. Is that 2 hours and 30 minutes?
Possibly. Hi guys. It's been a bit of a funny day today. Last night was amazing. We both had a fantastic meal. Kento and the team, Kento, Aaron and the team at the Tapas Molecular Bar were brilliant. Loved every second of it and worth the money. And gluten-free throughout, which was amazing. They really went the extra effort to make sure everything was gluten-free for me. Really suffering with allergies today and last night, so I didn't sleep very well. So today's been a bit of a funny day. Got up a bit later because we didn't go to bed till gone 1. We decided to have a drink in the hotel bar once we got back here. Sorry, I keep staring out the window. I realise I should be making eye contact here with you guys, but it's just taking it all in where I can. We've done some laundry. Aaron's just returned with it.
I'm going to have to separate them out again because it's still a bit damp.
Really?
Put it in 2 washing machines, yeah.
Anyway, where was I? Before I was rudely interrupted by this creature. What are you doing?
Turning the aircon fan on. No, fan up. Hi, there we go.
Where are we going? Can you look at the camera when you say that? Where are we going? What? You're checking your... We're going to the baseball tonight. Gonna eat, drink and be merry and wave some flags around and support the Giants. Or something like that. We'll find out when we get there. There's a stamp. how was the baseball?
Yes, it was fun. Really good. I liked it.
But you were a little bored at points.
A little bored at points, but then it started picking up, and then it was quite good.
But our team lost.
Yeah.
Although you quite enjoyed cheering the other team.
Yeah, it was fun.
Okay, what's happening there? Hello?
What?
What's happening?
Going for a wee.
So yeah, that's the day done. Pretty unproductive again, but the baseball was good. I'm still suffering from allergies or a cold. I can't tell which would what. We've just got some stuff from Family Mart. We're gonna eat. I'm gonna watch Friends and take a bath and go to bed. Good night.